Criminal case is over. He has no more Fifth Amendment protection, the right to remain silent, and that means that they get to take his deposition, go after him, and force him to answer all the questions under oath that everybody's been wanting to ask. Major fireworks.
Your thoughts, should there be civil suits?
Well, look, if I'm the family, of course I'm going to pursue it. And if I'm the state, given what a horrible, blunderous job I did, I would probably pursue it to make up for it. You know, again, a lot of this has to do with the difference between the law and justice. The law carried itself out, but a lot of people think that this was not justice. So if they think that a civil suit will bring justice, pursue it.
All right, George Zimmerman now, his brother is saying, look, he's going to have to live with a target on his back the rest of his life. Also, Casey Anthony's attorney agrees for obvious reasons. Take a listen.
I can't foresee any plans or any meaningful engagement that he'd have with society for a while because of the threats that are still going around and continue to.
You never know who the nuts are and where they are. There are still people that threaten me.
Still people that threaten him, Cheney Mason. I mean, the attorneys here in this case have said that they've been threatened as well. How?
And the jurors don't want their faces or names to be out there.
So, I mean, how much trouble do you think George Zimmerman is in, just in his daily life?
I got to be honest with you. The irony that he might have to be afraid walking home from a store at night that somebody would see him would be strange.
Right.
Look, the reality is this guy's going to be in hiding in a couple of months.
And
he's going to be fine. He'll go to Utah. He'll go to Arizona. He'll be someplace where he's not
I don't know
Wait a
about
minute.
that.
If there's a civil suit pending, can he leave the state?
Well, not if he gets sued with a civil suit. He wouldn't be able to leave.
Well, no, he would just have to come back for depositions and have to appear in court and things like that. But I don't know that it's going to be so easy for him that he can just move to some other state and show up and be embraced.
The protests, the riots that are happening all across the country. I don't know where he can go and not be noticed and not be.
But thank God that we had cameras in the courtroom for every day of this trial, because people need to have confidence at least in the integrity of the system, and we know why the result was the way it was. The prosecution's failings, the witnesses' failings. Thank God that we actually saw it.
Well, we also know that those two words, not guilty, are definitely intensifying this national conversation about what it means to be black in America.
Injustice. We have to stop it.